In this video, we will compare Dropship.io versus Autods, which dropshipping tool is the best in 2025. Dropship.io is a streamlined product research and management tool designed specifically for Shopify-based dropshippers looking for a winning product and to keep deep market insights. Its core strength lies in real-time product data, competitor tracking, and sales analytics. One of its standout features is its advanced product research tool, which scans thousands of Shopify stores daily to surface trending products, track how they're performing, and even give you insights on how competitors are pricing and marketing the products. This allows users to spot winning items early and quickly adapt their strategy. Dropship.io also provides details about store analytics, including traffic estimates, bestsellers, store launch dates, making it a strong tool for competitive intelligence. What makes Dropship.io particularly appealing for new sellers is its clean interface and straightforward functionality. You can easily monitor success, build by niche, country or product category, and save products for future testing. It also includes profit calculators, product tagging and store discovery features to streamline research and help users make data-backed decisions. However, Dropship.io does not automate or order fulfillment or inventory syncing, so primarily a research-focused tool rather than a full-service platform. Users still need to manage sourcing and fulfillment using external apps or even suppliers. It's best suited for dropshippers who prioritize finding viral products quickly and tracking competitors efficiently, especially for those focusing on scaling Shopify stores with data-driven decisions. Autods. Autods is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform that supports multiple e-commerce platforms including Wix, Shopify, WooCommerce and Facebook Marketplace. Unlike Dropship.io, which is focused on research and store tracking, Autods offers a comprehensive suite of tools for product sourcing, importing or order fulfillment, price monitoring, inventory management and even automated customer messaging. It's built for dropshippers who want to automate their entire workflow, from product discovery to post-purchase service. Autods integrates with a wide range of suppliers such as Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping and more, giving sellers across the globe categories of millions of products to choose from. One of Autods' most powerful features is its automated order fulfillment and tracking updates, which saves users a mass amount of time as they scale. It also includes AI-powered product suggestions, bulk product importing, a profit calculator, and even price automation based on real-time supplier changes. For Facebook Marketplace sellers in particular, Autods offers a unique feature like one-click product uploads and auto-ordering. Features are not common found within most competitors. While it has a steeper learning curve than Dropship.io and may feel overwhelming to many beginners, it's extremely valuable for those looking to run a hands-on or hands-off high-volume approach. However, users note that the platforms operate on a monthly subscription with add-on charges for advanced features and even order fulfillment. Pricing comparison. When comparing pricing, Dropship.io is relatively affordable, especially for those solely focused on product research. It offers plans starting around $29 per month, which gives access to core research tools, competitor analysis. There is also a higher tier plan with expanded access and increased search limits for advanced users. On the other hand, Autods operates with a more modular pricing, starting at around $10 per month for basic product importing, but costs can rise significantly depending on the number of stores, features that you want, order automation services you like to add. Autods also charges extra for fulfilled orders via their automation system, such as add-ons like advanced automation, Facebook Marketplace tools. These will all increase your monthly spend. In short, Dropship.io is more budget-friendly for researchers, while Autods offers more power and scalability, but a higher potential and variable cost. Ease of use. Dropship.io is widely regarded as one of the most user-friendly tools in the dropshipping space, especially for beginners. Its interface is clean, modern, and designed with simplicity in mind, allowing users to navigate effortlessly between product research, store analytics, and competitor tracking. The dashboard is intuitive, with clear labelled sections and minimal distractions, which makes it easy to understand for even those new to e-commerce. Tasks like filtering trending products, saving items, and reviewing stored data require no technical background at all, which makes the platform ideal for entrepreneurs who want a quick start without getting bogged down in the setup or training. Dropship.io focuses on doing one thing very well: product research, and it succeeds in delivering that experience with clarity, speed, and affordability. On the other hand, Autods. Autods offers an impressive range of automation tools. However, they come at a large learning curve, particularly for many beginners or people new to the e-commerce space. The platform includes product importing, pricing automation, order fulfillment, and supplier management, all under one platform, under one roof, which makes the interface more complex and information more dense. While the dashboard is logistically and logically organised, new users may find it very overwhelming at first due to the number of features and settings available. That said, Autods does provide onboarding tutorials, customer support whenever you want, and knowledge base to help users navigate its tool efficiently and effectively. Once you get past the initial setup and learn the workflow, it becomes an extremely powerful tool that can save you hours of manual work. Autods is best suited for intermediate to advanced dropshippers or business owners who are looking to scale their automation operations. Overall, when comparing Dropship.io and Autods, it really comes down to which dropshipping tool is best for you and your needs. Dropship.io is designed primarily for product research and competitor analysis tools, giving users access to real-time data from thousands of Shopify stores. It stands out for features including a product database of trending items, detailed store analytics, traffic and sales estimates, and even a built-in profit calculator. All tools for saving and tagging products. It is built for simplicity, helping sellers identify winning products quickly and easily, and help analysing their competitors without getting involved in any technical side of operations. However, Dropship.io does not offer any automation or order fulfillment or even inventory management. It is strictly focused on research and the planning stage of your dropshipping journey. In contrast, Autods. Autods is a comprehensive automation platform that handles almost every part of a dropshipping business. Its key features include one-click product importing, price, stock monitoring, and more. With the platform like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and CJ Dropshipping, all can be integrated. Additionally, it provides AI-driven product suggestions and bundled profit calculators, automatic customer messaging, and dashboard tools to help manage multiple stores all at one time. The platform is ideal for sellers who want to automate their day-to-day tasks and scale operations quickly without micromanaging every single step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.